Digital marketing is the key to online success. But what is digital marketing? Hey, I'm Oima, digital marketing expert and the founder of Race. In this channel, I will help you grow your online business, so subscribe to this channel. Digital marketing is simply the set of technique or a set of techniques used to promote a brand, a service, or a product online. Unlike traditional marketing, TV, billboards, and the radio, it helps you reach exactly the right audience at the right place. Imagine you want to sell a product. Digital marketing, you can target specific customers, create content to attract them, and even retarget them with different ads. But how does it work? SEO, search engine optimization. It's to attract free organic traffic. SEA, search engine advertising, sponsored campaigns on Google Ads or Bing Ads, etc. Content marketing, creating effective content like articles, videos, etc. to attract customers. Email marketing, send strategic emails to boost sales or to build customer loyalty. Social media marketing, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, but you only have to choose the right platform for the right audience. Conversion rate optimization, you have to optimize user experience and the sales funnel to turn the visitors into customers. For example, when you search for a restaurant on Google and you click on the first result, that's SEO. When you see a sponsored ad on Google or on Bing, that's SEA. When a brand sends you a newsletter, that's email marketing. Measurable results. You can track your campaigns in real time and improve them. Size targeting. You can reach the right people at the right time. Cost efficient, more profitable than traditional advertising with a higher ROI. Automation. You can generate sales 24/7 with a little effort. Now you know why digital marketing is essential. If you want to grow your business online or to boost your career, subscribe to this channel. Which digital marketing strategy interests you the most? Tell me in the comments.